What do you have? Can I see Thomas? Is that crash and repair, Thomas? Yeah. Okay. Which one do you want to open? You want to open Bash? Or do you want to open Diesel 10? Bash? You want to open Bash? Okay. Let's open Bash. Then you got... Can you repair him? Repair him. Now Thomas is all fixed. Goes the backside. Now let's open it and put batteries. Can I see him fixed? Who had fun playing trains today? There's trains over there. What color is the track? Ethan, what color is the track over there? What color? What color is the track? Huh? Oh, wrong way. You know what you're doing, huh? Oh, Thomas crashed. Oh, Thomas. You know what you should do? You should make Thomas crash in to the other one and let him crash right here. Okay? We'll wait until Mama's done with that one, okay? Whoa! Can I help you when Mama turns on that one? There he is. Are you dying to see him? Yeah. Okay, here you go. Can I see his face? Can you show me him? Let me see him. Show me. Oh, that's him when he's crashed. And that's him when he's repaired. Okay. How about if you turn him around and we crash Thomas into him? Okay?